All is well, everyone. Till 2 points we were discussing regarding the basic things, introduction, dip, local attraction, all those definitions, everything which are most relevant in the terms of theoretical view. And today we are going to apply it in the problematic part. So, magnetic bearing of a line AB is south 45 degree east and declination is 5 degree west. And what is a true bearing? So, the basic thing is that we know that what is the difference between true bearing and the magnetic bearing. That difference is called the declination. The difference is declination, and it depends on east. East it will be positive and west every time the declination will be negative. This we can apply in the case of whole circle bearing directly. But here they have given as quadrantal bearing. So either you can convert this quadrantal bearing, you can convert to whole circle bearing, and you can proceed with the process and you can apply it here and you can get the answer. Okay, or you can do in this method also. Anything, it is your choice, you can choose your method. North, south, east and west. It is given south 45 degree east. Okay, so from south 45 degree eastward is our magnetic bearing, and the declination is 5 degree west, that is 5 degree west. So from here 5 degree west is the declination. Okay, so actually 45 and again 5 degree is the declination. So what is the thing is that what is a true bearing is that as 45 is there and 5 degree is the western part. So I am so in my clue I have made as actually it have to move towards the west side as 5 degree declination. So you have to increase this and this will be the true bearing. That is, it is shifting towards, that is 45 plus 5, you will get the answer 50 degree, and it is obviously between south and east, so it will be south 50 degree east. This is the true bearing. Else you have to convert this south 45 degree east into the whole circle bearing, that is 360 minus. You can do it. I will show you how to do. South 45 degree east. So this will be. So what will be the whole circle bearing? We have studied at from the north hand side every time we have to measure this angle. So total it will be 180. So this angle will be 180 minus 45, that is 135 degree is the whole circle bearing, that is the magnetic bearing. So magnetic bearing is 135 degree and total bearing will be magnetic bearing plus or minus declination. So as west is there, you know, you have to subtract it, that is magnetic bearing minus west declination, that is 135 minus 5, that is 130 degrees the declination. That is from the north hand side till here it is 90 degree and you have to mark this total, it is 130 degree. This is the true bearing. So how we will explain? So the question is in quadrantal bearing, so you have to convert this answer is also in quadrantal bearing. So 130 means after 90 how many position? This is 40 and this is 50. So how we will mark from this south only now? Every time quadrantal bearing is marked from south. So the answer is south 50 degree east. Understand? So this. So first you can do like this also, otherwise directly as I shown before that method also you can apply. What is question number 2 saying? Magnetic bearing of a line is north 59 degree 30 minute west in 1967 and at that time the declination was 4 degree 10 minute east. Okay, this both are the time 1965 the magnetic bearing and declination given. And if the present declination is 3 degree west, what is the whole circle bearing of the line? So we know only what has happened in 1965 and the declination. Okay, So north, south, east and west. So north 59 degree, so here will come the angle 59 degree 30 minute west. So this is the magnetic bearing at that time. So what will be the whole circle bearing? Whole circle bearing will be 360 degree minus 59 degree 30 minutes. So your answer will be 300 degree and 50 minutes. So this total magnetic bearing, whole circle bearing at that 1967 was 350 degree, and the declination was 4 degree 10 minute east. That means true bearing will be what? Magnetic bearing plus east inclination, that is 300 degree 50 minute plus 4 degree 10 second minute. That is the total will be 304, 305 and 60 minute. It will be converted to 305 30 minute. So 300 degree 30 minute plus 4 degree 10 minute, it will be 304 degree and 40 minute it will be. So true bearing we got, and the present declination is 3 degree west. So what is the whole circle bearing? That means what is the magnetic bearing they are asking. So we know true bearing will be magnetic bearing minus west declination. So already we know what is the true bearing because we got it, is equal to magnetic bearing minus 3 degree. So what will be the magnetic bearing from here? We will add it, that is 304 degree 40 minute plus 3 degree, that is 307 degree 40 minute is the magnetic bearing declination. So it is in whole circle bearing, so we don't want to convert. Next question. Whole circle bearing of OP and OQ is given as 18 degree 15 minute and 335 degree 45 minutes. So what is the value of included angle QOP? So included angle already we have studied in the last part. Those who have missed that part, please go back and rewatch the session. So OQ, it is 18 degree 15 minute. It means that this lie in the first quadrant. As it is whole circle bearing, we have to measure from the north. 18 degree 15 minute. Then next is 335. So it will come in this quadrant. That is, this total is 335 degree 45 minutes. So this is OP and this is OQ. So you want the included angle QOP. This angle you need. Okay. So what is the thing you can do is that the total from this the total angle is what? 360 degree. From this total angle, what you will subtract? You can subtract the whole thing. This angle, that is 335 degree 45 minute, you can subtract. And then what is remaining? Because you need this total angle you need. If you have subtracted this, again you have to add this. So plus 18 degree 15 minute, when you add, you will get the answer 42 degree 30 minute. Next question. If declination is 5 degree 40 minute west, and true bearing is south 25 degree 20 minute east, what is the magnetic bearing? So this is given as north, south, east, west. So what is given? South east. This is given as 25 degree 20 minute, and the declination towards the south, that is 50 degree 40 minutes. So either you can do in the second way, means you can convert this and you can find the magnetic bearing, otherwise you can find the in the that method I explained. So already this is what, this is the true bearing. Okay, so already the magnetic bearing was here, it have moved from here as it was WDD. So those who have any doubt, please watch the first question, then you will understand. So this is a easy trick to do. So already this is the total of 25 degree 20 minute, and from that this 5 degree is added, 5 degree 40 minute is added, that is why you got the answer 25. So you have to subtract this 5 degree and 40 minute from this, you will get the magnetic bearing. So the answer you will get as 19 degree 40 minute east. So this is also lying in the same quadrant, that is southeast. What is the included angle AOB if OA and OB are 40 degree and 130 degree? Easy question it is. 40 degree OA, this is 40 degree, and OB, that is total is 130 degree. So what is the included angle OAB? Very easy it is. 130, from 130 you have to subtract 40, you will get the answer 90. AO is 130 degree, OB is 40 degree. What is angle AOB? AOA, that is 130. It is AO, okay, AO, it is 130 degree. And then what is that OB? From here you have to mark first, this is 40 degree, so this is OB. You have to measure angle AOB. We have already studied that when 2 is in different points, what we have to do, we have to add it, we can add it and we have to subtract. Bearing will be what? The back bearing will be what? As it is 130 less, so it will be 180 less, so you can add this, so you will get the answer 310 degree. So this is the back bearing of the line, and in the back bearing you want this total angle. Okay, so this back bearing you already got, so from this back bearing you have to subtract 360 and 310, so total 360, this total angle is gone out, so you will get the answer 50 degree. Okay, so this total gone, you got 50, then you have to add what? This 40 also, plus 40, same way before we have done the same problem, so you will get the answer 90. Understood that this total is 360, out of this 360 this back bearing have gone, so only this is left, and we have to get the total angle, that means we have to add this 40 also, so 50 plus 40, that is 90 degree. Next is, if whole circle bearing of a line is 210 degree 0 minute 0 second, what is the value in quadrantal bearing? That means you have to convert it into the whole circle bearing into quadrantal bearing. 210 means from here to here 90, 180, and 210 will be in between this. So this total will be 210 degree. So north, south, east and west. So it will be surely lying between southwest. And 210, that means from 210 you have to subtract 180 degree, that is you will get the answer 30 degree. So south 30 degree, west is the answer. Bearing of sun at noon is 185 degree 20 second. The declination is mostly asked question, very important question. Every time this type of a sun related question can come. So this is a trick I am teaching you. This is very important and you can apply this trick everywhere in this type of question. Don't want to think about anything. North, east, south and west. That is, every time you have to think, okay, this south will be the end point. Nothing can go beyond south. Okay, this will be the zero. You have to imagine that. So from here just think 185, that means till here it is 180 and exceeded this will be 185. So till here it is 180, so the balance will be what, 5 degree 20 minute. So 5 degree 20 minute is the exceeding thing, that is the magnetic declination and in which direction it has gone, and it will be west because it is moving towards the west, that is so where it is north 5 degree. So 5 degree 20 minute towards where, west. So this is the answer, 5 degree 20 minute west. So any angle if it is giving, is suppose the question is 175 degree, what you will understand by this, from the 0 point it have moved till 175 only, that means what is remaining, 5 degrees remaining, that means this is what east, that is 5 degree east will be the declination in this case. Understood now clearly? It is very very important question. Declination, it will be the difference between what is difference between dash and dash, what is true bearing and magnetic bearing, and you know that declination is positive when it is west, positive when it is east, and declination will be negative when it is. The observed magnetic bearing of a line was found to be 185 degree. It was lately observed that station O had a local attraction of 1.5 and true bearing of OE considering the magnetic declination of what it will be. So you have to find the true bearing last. So first you have a magnetic bearing of 185 degree, but you didn't know you had a local attraction of 1.5. That means you have to subtract because plus 1.5 you have already been there actually. So the total actual magnetic bearing was, from this 185 degree you have to subtract our local attraction, so you will get the answer 183.5 degree. So this is the actual magnetic bearing. Now you have to find the true bearing. True bearing will be magnetic bearing plus or minus declination depending upon the east and west. As it is east, you know you have to add it, you have to add E, that is 183.5 degree minus plus 3.5, so you will get the answer 187 degrees. So this is the true bearing of the line. So I hope everybody enjoyed the session. If you like the session, please support the channel. Onwards we will be coming with the next further portions of the topic regarding the problems of compass surveying, MCQs. So please keep watching the channel. It will be very useful to you for the preparation of PSCs as well as GATE examination. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.